Giberson's Game Farm and Honey Preserve.
Them birds know right where to come, don't they? Right back to the pen.
Yeah, right back to the pen is right.
You shoot one, just keep an eye where it goes down.
Do me a favor and unbutton these sides. All right. Whereabouts in New York is this?
Troopsburg. That's upside down.
Catskills?
No, it's the southern tier. That's you got it the right way. That's the way. That's
I was just wondering what the hell I was looking at there.
yeah. That's just taking pictures from the stand.
Yeah.
There's a dead one laying there. I'm pretty sure that's what that is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you after he shot it.
Yeah. You use tree stand here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Better pictures in there. Like I say, it was only a throwaway job. That's my dad's old place. 117 acres there. It's only 5 miles away from where we hunt.
3 inch? No, still 3/4.
Really?
Shorter.
Oh really? Well no, they did make it 2
7 some years ago.
Oh yeah?
I'm surprised that that was a 3-inch gun.
Wow. It's not really a good picture of it there, but
Yeah.
Take him home for the dog.
that's the following day. I guess we were getting ready to load them in the truck.
He's going on point.
You gonna point the birds?
I'm gonna do the back 40. Do some sharecropping today on the back 40. After I get done, I'll be shooting some birds later on. I want to thank you. Watch out for this Bengal tiger over here. I got him. I got him. I got him. Okay, all right. All right,
Okay, here's
so
what I'll
start
do.
off with the pheasant first, Harry.
All right, I'll take a couple pheasants. I'll take 3 pheasants and I'll put them out. You want me to put a couple quail out too? I bought a couple extra quail. Not only that, I had a quail hunt yesterday and there's a few left back there from yesterday.
Okay.
They don't generally go too far.
All right.
So the odds of us running across the quail are real good is what I'm getting at.
All right.
All right?
Okay.
I'm going to jump in the truck, head on back. I'm going to set a couple birds. There's a little field up here. I'll walk back up and meet you guys and we'll all walk down together, all right?
Sounds good. How much of a ride we going up there?
Not far.
Not far?
Dan?
Ho, hut, ho, hut, ho, hey, ho, hut, ho, hut, ho, hut, ho, hey, ho. Turn the flashlight on.
All right, we got to hold up here. He's
Yeah,
putting a
let him
couple
get 'em
birds. He's putting a couple birds out.
All right. There'll be a little thicker stuff in it.
No, he's got, it's the predecessor of the 1100. This goes back to the 40s, this gun.
Why didn't you bring the L.C. Smith? You want to shoot it?
No, I like this.
You do?
Yeah, I like this. It's a little bit lighter. And I'm used to shooting a single barrel gun rather than a double barrel. You know, I bought a Benelli, camo Benelli. Man, I can't, when I shoot with that gun, I can't miss. I am fucking deadly with that. Pardon me.
Got you on tape.
Erase that.
Hang on to her, Jim. I'm gonna take a
We'll
look.
take care of that in post-production.
Yeah, you edit that.
He'll amplify it.
Hey, girl.
Why is she so shaky?
I don't know.
Oh, is that why? Okay.
He wants to get hunting. You don't want to be on that
He
leash.
don't like everybody. Just wants to get out there.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Now, this is going to be the kind of like bet for today. Eddie is the judge. The guy who pulls off the most difficult shot, the other two guys got to buy him lunch. How's that? Now, lunch can be at McDonald's, too. It don't have to be at the shrimp place. You hear me?
Better hope they don't pass a hot dog stand on the
You
way.
see that? This is it. All right, watch this.
You know, you left when you hold a gun like that. I told you. You see the guy up in Englishtown shooting skeet like
Yeah,
that. Off the
really?
set, over, under, over and
No
under.
kidding.
Just like off the tip. I never seen anybody shoot like that.
Really?
The guy was amazing. He couldn't have.
What's your style, Jim? Annie Oakley? Give me the Annie Oakley.
All right, let's be careful. Safety first. What's the rabbits like in here, huh, Ernie?
Not that many, no.
Really?
No.
You got fox in here?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hawk, owl, fox.
Really?
I like to have this when they put that.
You got a problem, just stop.
You want to do the field in 2 passes or one?
Whatever it takes, yeah.
All right, let's do it in 2
Oh,
passes.
boy, get ahead.
I imagine it's definitely going to have to be more than one pass.
Okay.
So.
Woo. Point. Woo.
Yes, it is.
All right, it looks like he's right in line with me. He's right in line with me. Let me have him. Unless he comes up on your side.
Woo, flag. Woo. 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 First gonna start running. I don't know. Woo. 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 First move. Whoa. First ball running somewhere. Let me just get her back. Fly, woo.
By the way.
Come on. Keep an eye on her, Jim. Jim Birdie right there. smelling the birds in there, man.
You'll calm down.
Yeah, once you get the little gas out, you know. Come on, bud, let's break. Whoa! Whoa! Flag, whoa! Bird's probably running. Whoa! Whoa! Let her do her job.
Come on, Fly. Come on, look at here, look at here. Sam? Fly keeps going over there. Yeah, I want to try to cut it off if I can. Come on, bud. Come on, look in here. Come on, bud. Look in here. Look in here. Come on. This way, bud. Come on. Look in here. Come on. Come here. Come on, look in here. Come on, girl. We got a running bird there.
Yeah.
Throw my duck on there.
She's probably got it in there.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Let her,
Boy, it's
Fly,
not too
come.
often when you chase them that way.
Fly, come here.
Fly
Fly,
back
come.
this way, I'll tell you.
Come here. Come. Woo. Come over here. Fly, come. Woo.
Fine shot.
Jim? What?
All right, which way we want to
Nope.
go?
No, I had the camera off.
We'll finish up on that field. We only covered not even a
Okay,
quarter of it. So
okay.
there's other birds in that field up there, so we'll take you head up that way.
All right, come on.
Good girl. Good girl.
I thought I heard a bird in there. That's what I said. I heard a bird, man.
Get up there, Ray.
She's speeding because she stopped to drink. Come on, let's go. Come on, boy. Look in here. Look in here. Absolutely.
He just pulled the trigger, that's all.
Find a bird. Find a bird.
You're a regular, man. He's pretty much the only thing you want.
I heard that Larry went to hunt in Maine. How did he do? Did he? Really?
Good. Yeah, I think he's been back some more.
Oh, really?
I think
He
so.
called home already? Should
Yeah.
have killed the big
He don't call home too often on the ladder, but I imagine he's just about missing his duck hunting by now, though. Yeah, have the ducks on here.
Yeah.
That'd do well.
Creek.
Yeah, up there, Gloucester.
Come on, Fly, look in here. Come on. Look in here. Come on. Look in here, girl. Look in here.
Next time you come through, boom, the dog locked up. That's why, like, I work my dog. A lot of times,
I don't get nervous now. You're in Hollywood.
you're on candid camera.
Woo. Now we got to. There's the quail. Fly, come. Come here. Come. Get over here. Come on. Fly, get over here. That was a little low flyer there.
Next time we'll take it doing a little
There
different.
goes another one. I just bumped another one.
You went right down that bird.
Yeah, we can, that's, we can hunt down there. We'll come back around.
Come on, Fly, come on.
Yeah. Somebody go around the back side of
Right.
us over here.
Right.
One guy down on this cut.
Fly, woo.
That way you kind of got them covered. Know where everybody's at.
Jimmy, you over on my left here?
Yeah, he's over here.
I'll go in after the bird.
Bird's walking. That way, if it goes that way, your brother can take it. There, I see the bird.
I say, there it goes. Oh,
There it goes.
no shot.
Bird had a hard time getting out of there.
That's a little thick in there. Tell you what, they must have hold up in that though. Birdie already.
Getting birdie here.
I got birds.
He's getting birdie right here.
Didn't like the quail in the thicket. Whoa. If you need help flushing, I'll go in with you. Try to back flush these birds.
I know, I'm trying to get him so these guys can get a shot at him. Fly,
Whoa.
whoa. This bird's moving, that bird's walking. Fly, whoa. Yeah, that bird's on the move. He's in here though. Fly, whoa. This thing's running around in here, so. There goes cockbird. You got him.
You know?
Come on, Fly. Look in here, girl. Come on.
Down.
Oh, you didn't pick up that bird?
No.
There?
Birdie on me right here.
That was a good long shot, my man.
Yeah, I didn't want to take a second shot. I know it's too far. And then...
Oh, don't mind me. I'll tell you to keep squeezing the trigger next time. That's how I operate. Now, just let him take the dog and go in there with you.
Just now. Oh,
That
you
bird.
shot it again?
Where the hell is she now?
Here comes the business. You're gonna get the business now.
Fly, come.
It's coming. When you get that grin on his face, you are in trouble, son.
Fly, come here. Come on. Where's Ray at?
He worked his way up to the sorghum field.
Yeah, we can, well, those quail are right in here.
Right.
The one we can walk down this road here.
Okay.
That's all we need. That one. There's no deer sign back there either.
gonna go down here or what?
I don't actually run on the property. We've got other family members and whatnot. I've been invited numerous times. But they do pretty well. They do pretty well.
You're rutting now. Come on, girl.
Well, I didn't see him. I didn't see him.
Guys can do. Hunt that down and just come right through this little hedgerow here and come back up in here.
Okay.
I know for a fact there's some quail in this area.
Okay.
Come on, Black. Good girl. Good girl.
Let him come in, Jimmy. Sweep that around.
Well, like you said, we got the pheasant. He said the quail are in here.
Yeah, he said the quail are up in here.
Okay, go ahead. Go on through then, Jim.
Come on, Black. Come here, girl. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. You want a drink? Come here. Let me give you a drink. Come here. Whoa, whoa,
He had
whoa.
a drink already, Ed. I seen him drinking down by the street.
All right. Hi, Anderson. Getting birds. Come on, Fly. Come on, girl. Come. Come on. Over here, let's go. Come on.
Yo. Turn around.
No one's allowed to see that.
Whoa, Fly.
Get him?
Whoa, girl. Yeah. Whoa, girl. Whoa, whoa. Come on. Yeah, you got it up in the head, though. Where you at, Ted? Kill, boys. Quail. Come on, girl. Come on, look in here.
Then we go back up the field.
All right.
Come on, Fly. Look in here. Look in here. There she is, right here.
You point?
Yep. You're going point.
Here on the ground in front of you. To the left, to the left.
Where is it, quail?
No, right here, right in front of you.
Fly, come.
What, a pheasant?
Right there, Dad. I know you don't. I know you don't. He's gonna get in the air.
Let her get in there.
Yeah, that's what I want. Come on. That's what
I said. I thought it was a dead bird.
Go get him, Fly.
Fly, come on. Find a bird. Find a bird.
hiding bird.
I thought it was a dead one. It wouldn't move. I kicked it in the air.
Tucked up tight.
Come on, girl. Come on, Fly. Come in here. Come in here. Look in here. Come on. Look in here. Fly, come. Come on. Fly, come here. Come on, over here. Let's go. This way. Come on. Come on, look in here. Look in here. Let's go.
Not dry.
I tried to kick it out for you. It wouldn't fly. That's a running bird.
Stay cut over that dog. Just want to run out in front of her here shortly. One bit of crazy.
Come on, Fly, look in here. Fly, look in here. Come. You see it?
Right here.
Come, Fly, come here. Come, Fly, let's go.
Shoot him. No, we'll get him to fly.
Right.
He might be wounded. He might be a wounded bird. Here.
Bird.
Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Fly, over here, look in here. Come on, girl. Come on, Fly. What do you got, guys shooting sporting clays?
Yeah.
Come on, Fly, over here. Over here, come on. Look in here, girl, look in here, look in here. Come on. She's like, what are you? Come on, look in here. Where the hell is it?
It's right here.
Come on, Fly. Fly, come here. She's listening to the shots.
Right.
Come on. Come here. Look in here. Fly, over here. Over here. Come on. Look in here, girl. Look in here. Look in here. Fly, come over here. I kicked it in the ass there. It wouldn't do nothing. Come on, girl. Come on, over here, Fly. Come here. Come on.
Hold it tight. Right by your foot.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is. Hey, Fly, come here. Now she's getting birdie on me over there. Come on, Fly. Big bird ain't flying.
Definitely, there's something wrong with that bird.
Yeah, gotta be. It ain't flying.
Hey, but you hit.
It's not flying.
Leftover from yesterday.
Maybe.
Yeah.
It won't fly.
What do you want? Wait for you to get in.
Well, you're touching that one.
That was pretty. He was pretty sharp. One of these.
What? Another bird!
Another bird. Right. Right. Right.
Another bird!
Dad. I got that.
You got that?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. You didn't get this yet?
There you go. Of course, if you can.
How about that?
When the ball gets up on point.
Yeah, well, that's what I was kind of waiting for, you know.
One day?
Come on, Fly, come.
I don't know.
I'll take him. I shot 3 so far.
Shot 3?
Yeah.
All right.
Come on, girl.
I just got the quail and one more pheasant.
Okay.
Stay on your toes, Ray.
They break out the plastic.
All right.
Teddy's sitting there watching you guys
bird
doing all the
we jumped.
shooting.
This ain't the same bird, I don't believe. I believe that other hen
She
bird
got
ran up.
birdie up in here, yeah.
When that dog went up in that corner, I believe that's what she was going to.
Well, watch her there. Could be old sign, I don't know.
That's where that dead bird fell, right?
Oh, is that what it was? Okay.
Yeah, that bird, that bird.
It's a troll! That wasn't old sign.
I don't know who hit that one.
That wasn't old sign, Teddy. All right, who hit him, Ray or Teddy? That's a troll there.
I think that was a draw from my vantage point.
Get into the laboratory. Let's see if that's mortality.
This being in the laboratory.
Really?
I did not. I ran that bird walking in there. So I ran him back here to the lab. I put out 2 cockroaches. I got 3 in my pocket. It's working out pretty well. And we still got one in the field.
All right.
All right, come on, let her get up in here. She was
The
going
hen or a
down.
cock first?
Keep an eye on her.
The hen.
And she'll just stop like that.
Right. I absolutely did not put that bird out. That makes me feel good. That means these birds that we're losing are coming. You know, when we push around, we're pushing them back in here. We get another whack at them.
You didn't get that, did you?
What's that?
You got that?
Yep.
Yeah, he got that shot. All right.
You get that much?
Yeah.
Oh, he didn't get it on film. Come here, Fly. Look in here. Look in here. Come on, girl. Good. There's a bird here somewhere.
Don't shoot Harry.
Yeah, don't do that.
I'm stuck quick.
Harry's been shot already.
Get ready. Where'd he go, Fly? Bird's running here somewhere. Come on, girl.
You on that bird or just? I think that bird's held up in this field somewhere still myself.
Kind of out over here somewhere. She's got the nose. Let her
Let her do her job. Down through this field. You gotta get on somebody's quail, fella. I brought more. Look at him now. He's warmed up now. You better look out, Teddy. He's warmed up now, boy. Right here. Still alive.
Oh, there's your hen bird.
Don't get him cut back on you.
Yeah.
Got him?
Yep, right here. Oh, he's alive. Right, come on, Fly. Fly, come. How much is there for bird? That's a different bird. Oh, maybe not. That's great, Mark. Yeah. You hit it.
This is great.
Excellent.
How many is that for you? Oh, no. Oh, you're not claiming that? Come on, Fly.
I love these two guys, boy. I can hold these guys all day long.
Here's the judge. Who killed that bird?
I'm going to draw. That's a coin flip. Who's got the coin? Let's go.
Well, if it's a draw, then I'm at 1.5.
Come on, Fly.
All right, fellas.
All right.
Heads or tails? Heads. Okay.
Tell him.
Go ahead.
Video, man. This is official. Heads claims the bird.
All right, wait a minute. I'm taking heads.
You're calling in the air.
I'm calling it heads.
Heads. Heads it is.
You got the
Your
bird.
bird.
I love it. That's 3 for me. I got one more. I got Uno. Uno birdo.
Fellas, we got birds. Don't worry.
Okay. I love it.
Want to hit these tracks well in here?
Now, you hit that bird a split second before I did.
Which one?
The one that we're arguing over.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely.
I
can
don't
see
know.
the feathers.
To me, it looked like a, you know.
The feathers go right up his back when you shot. You know what I
Did
mean?
you get that shot?
Here, girl. Come on.
Yeah.
You did?
Yep.
Come on, girl.
As good as the hunt itself.
Blue flag.
Wait at you, Jimmy.
Blue flag.
There it goes.
Love that.
All right, it's in here. It's right over by you somewhere there, Ted, unless she's got it here.
Get ready. Here it goes. Take it, Jimmy.
Back bird. Come on, get out of there, bird. Goddamn bird won't get up. Get ready, Ted.
Jimmy, I'm going to get on this end. Stop it from coming out.
All right. Found him.
This is Gimme here. This is Gimme bird. Let you take him on home. It's called a South Carolina blueback.
You guys get that on the quail?
Yeah.
You got birdie right here. Come on, girl. Look in here,
I
girl.
don't think he did hit it from where I was standing. I'll be honest with you.
Who wants to go that way, man? Fly, look in here. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
At any point you guys want to stop and get a drink of water or something like that, if you want me to run up and get you a soda or something, let me know. Take a break for a minute or something.
Well, if I get a shot at it, yeah. The one that Eddie picked up was right on his level. If he wasn't there, I could have shot that one. Come up
Come on, Fly, look in here, look in here. Yeah, these were locked up. By the time I get up there, they might have moved, I don't know. Fly, come here. Come on, girl. Here, right now. Come on. Up, point somewhere. So, all
right, let's see.
Fly, come here. Where the hell did you get them? Fly, come here. Come on. Fly, come here.
Hey, listen, if that perches up, I'll duck.
Fly, come here. Doing something different over there.
Take him, Dad.
What happened?
A cold miss.
Got all the time in the world for that.
Yeah, well, I want to let him get a little out a little ways that time.
Come on, Fly.
I want him to get out a little ways. I could have had a triple lefty on that one.
Bird right here.
Triple left.
Bird right here. Bird here.
Come on, Rag.
Woo. Woo. Get ready. Get ready. Woo. Run it. Woo. 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 Yeah, you dusted that one, Ted.
I had the headshot.
Whoa, Fly, whoa.
Right into the barrel.
Woo. All right,
That was
good
a
girl.
headshot.
Good girl.
Right into the
Come here,
barrel.
Fly. Come on, good girl.
I had
Come on, Fly, let's go. Over here. Come on.
Maybe if he didn't head shoot it.
There you got it. Come on, Fly, look here. Look here.
Back of the head.
There you go. Right there.
Now he's going to tell you he's playing that.
Actually, I was aiming for his eyeball.
Well, I'll tell you what, you're just on the wrong side, that's all.
Oh, man.
Another bird in here, and we gotta go.
You got a point here.
I think I shot under him.
Come on, girl, look in here.
What is this, revisionist history now?
Come on, Fly.
Revision is history, right.
Come on, girl, look in here. Does Will like to hold up his fork? So damn right. Let's go. Fly, come here. Come on, look in here. Here, come. Come on. Come on, look in here, girl. Look in here. Fly, come here. Come on. What are you doing, drinking?
Yep.
Yeah. Come on, girl. Come on, look in here. Let's go. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, Flag. Right here. Let's go. Look in here. Come on.
I'll force this first. Make sure nobody gets it.
You look like you.
There's a 12 down there.
Coming at you, give me! All right.
You get that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Harry, you run a dozer through here or?
Yeah,
backhoe or what?
that brush hog too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the back of a tractor. Big,
Oh, okay.
big blade.
Yeah.
Yeah, we cleared all that with a regular backhoe.
You did.
And planted
A lot
that
of
this
work,
year. Yeah.
huh?
Oh yeah, it's so
Keep
wet
an eye
back
on
there
it,
too.
Jim.
We have that big machine up there. If you bring it back here, though, you're going to lose it. It's going to sink. Oh yeah, it'll
Even with the big tires, huh?
go right
Really?
there. We want to make a lot more fields.
Yeah,
Well,
sure.
it's all comes in time.
Yo, absolutely. Little by little, Harry.
That's all.
It's done.
Well, all I got is 2 quail to shoot now.
Give me a minute. That's good. Thank you.
Got it?
Come here, girl.
Now, why don't you go after those birds right
When they're dead,
Yeah.
she
No?
don't care.
Really?
Don't give a shit. Once they're dead, she wants nothing to do with them.
Well, some guys' dogs are just the opposite. You can't get the dead bird away from them.
Really?
Come here, Flash. Come here.
Come
on,
back
girl.
and it's all chewed up.
Come here, girl. Some cages.
Yeah.
She wants nothing to do with it
Really?
because it's in that cage. You take it out and you rock it to sleep, she'll point it. She won't point it in the cage.
Wow.
That's like our dogs. We have our dogs up there, and them pheasants are running all over the place. And ones that got out there, like 60 of them got out. And they run right, they eat out of the dog food bowls. Yeah. And the dogs lay there.
Really?
Honest to God, my hand to God. It's incredible. That's like now at home, I got my one English Brit. He's an older dog. I don't hunt him too much anymore. He's kind of like just a buddy now. I
Right.
let him in the house and all that and everything. I go out there the other day and there's a kitten. He's laying on his
What's
hay
the
in the
red on
sun.
her
There's a
side
kitten
there?
this big.
From her
on his
tail.
belly.
From her tail bleeding.
Yeah, that's it. And you can't come near that kitten.
Beat yourself up.
She
don't care.
Real. Down the sports.
Pine tree sat, but you got to do that. She don't mind. She likes getting all bloodied up.
It's not a problem.
All right.
I love that mug. In case they
What
want
do
to
we
come
want to
get you.
do? We want to go down after that bird down in that corner down there?
Yeah, well, he got 2 more birds to
There's
put
where we
out.
stand. Right, you
Oh,
guys
okay.
got 2 pheasant and another quail left to shoot.
So let's put them out. What will the quail do in the sorghum? Will they run or will they
They'll
stay?
probably boogie into that.
No, actually, they sit pretty good. You got to work a little harder with the dog because the scent's not so strong. But
Oh,
I don't,
okay.
I'll put them. I'm going to put a couple out. I'm
All
not just
right,
going to put
okay.
one out. I'm going to put a couple out.
Okay.
So that way, we're pretty much guaranteed to get the one anyway.
Yeah, I know.
And what do you got, 2 pheasants yet?
Keeping an eye on you.
I'm not talking about that one outside of that one.
I'm not talking about the one I missed. No, this other one, we had a flip on that.
Hey, Teddy.
The cookie crumbled my way.
What are you going to do with him, huh? What are you going to do with him?
That's going to the Pheasant Association.
You know,
That's an association.
you remember one of the 12 apostles doubting Thomas?
Uh-huh. Is that him?
All right.
All right, everybody turn your back so we don't see where.
Yeah, I don't want to see him. I don't want to see him.
What's that?
Where he's
Turn your
putting the
back.
birds.
We don't want to see
Oh,
where
we
Harry's
wanna see
putting the birds.
No, he's got to put them up there somewhere. Most difficult miss.
No, the
You won
easiest-
that right, hands
easiest
down. You
miss.
won that one.
Why don't you shoot about 7 rounds of sporting clays and come back?
Oh, I don't feel
You know,
like
it's for a
You know-
little bit of shooting going on. It didn't sound like there was that much shooting for guys shooting.
No,
sport
there
clays.
wasn't. There's only about maybe 3 or 4 guys over there right now. So the weather's right.
You're knocking them down with one shot.
No, it took me 3 shots to put the first bird down.
Yeah.
Remember? First bird to come out, I had him. 3 shots to put him down.
And I shot my first 3 birds with my first shot.
Whoa, deadly, deadly.
Yeah, he's letting you know about that.
Deadly.
Just to let you know.
He saved a lot of money, he could buy lunch.
Take it easy, girl. We'll go in a minute. Magnet to it, and that'll make it beep, beep, beep,
Right.
beep. You know what I mean?
And what does this thing do?
That,
Just amplifies the sound?
yeah, this is, yeah.
Okay.
And this one here is the old commando collar.
Uh-huh.
You didn't have to use that.
Nah, she's got a lot on first, about 8 ticks on her already.
Really? Yeah. Is it a bid? Well, shit, you should have warned me. I would have taken him.
Well, whatever you want to do first. You want to go in after him or you want to do these? I don't care.
Well, we're right here. We might as well go in after that quill, no? And then we'll go let the pheasants.
Up to you guys, however you want to do it.
All right, you got 2 cockbirds out there, and then we got that one.
I got 2 pheasants out there. Nobody's saying they're cockbirds.
Oh, okay.
All right, come on, Fly, let's go. Look at
on
here.
them.
Yes, and me.
Come on, Jim. Let's go get you this other quail. Come on, Fly. Look in here, girl.
The majority of everything we killed today was cockbirds.
Is that your quail?
I killed like 8 cockbirds.
Well, we go get
Try
the
to
quail.
keep some birds. That way, towards the end of the year, when you got hunts, you still got
Yeah,
some
some
cockbirds
cockbirds
to
to give
shoot.
up, I got it.
A lot of guys now.
How many birds did you raise this year?
Ooh, 3,000.
Was it that many?
Yeah, but then we lost some in the beginning. There you have that. I mean, when you have babies like that, I'll tell you what, there's no truer statement than death breeds death. I mean, one gets sick,
Really? They all
20
go.
of them, 50 of them will get sick. And you got to try to take and get them vitamins.
There it is.
Man, I'll tell you what, that was right between the golden arches.
I
That
didn't
was a
think I was
beautiful
going to have
shot.
that one.
Look at that. Wow. We'll have to take and dry that out and see how that fits.
Okay, good shot. All right, come on, girl. Let's go find some catbirds. Come on, Fly. Let's go. Look in here, girl. Come on, Fly. Look in here. Look in here. Come on, girl. Come on. Teddy shot that one. I think Teddy got it. Yeah. Beautiful.
Something.
Absolutely. That's all right, let it go.
Fly, come here. Come.
We'll get them.
Yeah. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, this way. Fly, come here. Let's go. Come on. Come on, girl.
But Dad, I know there's birds over here.
Yeah, I know they're there too. Come on, girl. This way. Let's go. Come on, look in here, Fly. Look in here. Hold on, man. Not this way.
dropped. I saw it.
Did it go? Oh, yeah, when you hit them like that, they
It's way in there.
Come on, girl.
I was going like this, I know whether to shoot or not.
Somebody come out here and back him up. First come back across the field.
Dad, come over here and back him up. Okay. I'm done with,
Take that one, take the other one.
There's a cockbird here.
There's another one here.
Cockbird right here.
Another one right here. Get your brother, get your brother.
Hurry up. Get over here.
Two of
Come
them
on,
held
let's
up.
go before this bird moves.
That was nice, man. Put it in there together.
Fly, come here. Come here, girl. Get ready.
hurry up.
Get ready. Hey,
See somebody on the stump there?
right there on the stump.
Hold on, Ray. I'm going to get him out of here for you.
You gotta go around the other side of him. You better go around the other side of him. He's gonna jump in there. Hold on. Let me.
Fly, come. Fly, come here. Come here. You in there, huh?
Yeah, I'm in. All right. I don't want him to get back to me.
Jesus Christ.
You see where that other one got to? Yeah.
What the hell are you trying to do? Fucking kill me?
Good deal.
Okay.
As
Hey,
always, a pleasure.
great,
As
great,
always.
great. Good man, good man. Okay, Harry.
Okay, guys.
All right, let's go back
You
to
head
the
on
house.
back up. You know where the rec hall is? Go into the campground. Go right to Danny's. Where the fence is there.
Fly, come here.
Take a right.
Come on, girl.
Takes you right to the campground. As you're going
Fly,
down,
come.
you see a pavilion. Right across the
You wanna ride with him?
Go ahead. Come on.
Huh?
You gonna ride with him?
Okay, all right. So in other
Yeah.
words, when you come to the T, you make a right
Right.
and go all the way down that road. And then
Right.
what?
Come on. When you go down that road, just follow the road. It'll take you.
I only shot Eddie, so what are you doing? All right, that was cool. They're all sixes. Oh, I got some 7.5s. I got like a half a box. How many you need? Well, count how many.
Hey, if you don't have enough 20s, you can take this son.
She made it easy on us.
A lot of birds around here that you missed.
I don't know about that. All right, Michael, you're gonna ride down with him, right?
Yep.
You're gonna go down there too, aren't you? You're gonna go down there and pay him down by the rec hall where we're talking about, right? Yeah. So he's gonna tag the birds. We'll pay him down at the rec hall. We'll go back and we'll do a round of sporting play. We'll do some rounds.
Steal it.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Are these guys dead or alive?
I don't know. Let's
They
check it
look
out.
like they're all dead to me.
Oh, thanks. Already open. Okay, no thanks. Heavy bird. Cool. Alright, let me get my dang dog.
Oh, yeah. Get the dog out.
Head fell off. We lost our head. Headless. Lost our head over this.
Really?
Won't they be a white?
Yeah.
You gotta throw 89.
89, I'm 89. All right, let's say 90. 90.
Now, who's paying for that one bird that got shot at there, huh?
And you're splitting this is 10.
You guys
Ray,
splitting the bird or
Tell
what?
me what you shot. 4 pheasants?
4 pheasants and 3 quail.
So that's 60 and 18. 78, plus you got, how much of a ground fee?
$7.
Hang on, $7 ground fee. That's 85, and you're gonna throw them how much?
20 birds.
All right.
Okay,
All right.
murderer's row here.
That's it, boy.
I'm telling you.
There you
The
go.
flying shoot was had by all.
Sounds
The
good.
dog was great. All fly.
Fly, baby.
Fly. He's checking from the back of the cage.
All righty?
Good deal.
Okay.
Now, pull
Busy?
all the tags out.
Okay.
Ah, I couldn't have timed it better. The battery's running out right now.
Great. Beautiful.
You're going to go with the sporting clays then, right?
No, you gonna just do sporting clays now?
We're going to shoot sporting clays.
Yeah, we're just gonna go one round. Take a What's that?
What'd you shoot, Ted? What'd you shoot?
I shot a, believe it or not, I shot a 40 G.
I know you were hot, man.
Yeah. Yeah, he's getting there. Let me think. I think Sunday. Yeah, I'll be here Sunday early to do a couple rounds. All right? Barring any bad weather.
Yeah.
All right. You take care.
Back in. Come on, get in here.
Still got the camera rolling?
Yeah, just a little bit. Ending up the battery.